If your vehicle jerks when you accelerate, it's important to identify the cause and how to fix it. This jerking can be attributed to various issues, so let's break them down into categories to help you troubleshoot the problem. Possible causes include issues with the air intake, fuel delivery, spark timing, and transmission. First, check for any OBDII trouble codes using an onboard computer scan. This can provide valuable insight into what might be wrong. Many affordable OBDII scan tools are available for $20 or $30, and you can find a link below if you need one. Alternatively, automotive stores often offer free code reading services. These tools plug into the OBDII port, which is typically located under the driver's side dashboard. Once connected, you simply select Read Codes, and the tool will display any issues. For example, a piezo 101 code might indicate a problem with the mass airflow sensor, while a P2635 code suggests a fuel pump performance issue. Knowing these codes can direct you to the specific area that needs attention, making it easier to troubleshoot and resolve the jerking issue. One potential cause of jerking during acceleration is a fuel-related issue. This could involve problems such as weak fuel supply to the engine, which might be due to a failing fuel pump, a clogged fuel filter, a dirty throttle body, a faulty throttle position sensor, or dirty fuel injectors. To diagnose fuel-related issues, start by using a fuel pressure gauge. Attach it to the fuel rail on top of the engine and compare the measured pressure with the manufacturer's specifications. For example, if your vehicle should run at 60 psi, but the gauge shows only 50 psi, this indicates a weak fuel supply. A common cause of low fuel pressure is a clogged fuel filter. If your vehicle has an inline filter, it's worth replacing it, as these can become clogged over time. Some vehicles have the filter integrated with the fuel pump, so not all vehicles have an inline filter. Also, check the throttle body for excessive dirt. A dirty throttle body can affect engine performance and cause jerking. If it's very dirty, clean it using a throttle body cleaner and a small brush. Additionally, inspect the throttle position sensor on the throttle body. A faulty sensor can lead to performance issues and is often indicated by trouble codes, such as a P0122 code for a bad throttle position sensor. If fuel pressure is normal and there are no trouble codes for the throttle position sensor, it's possible that one or more fuel injectors are clogged or malfunctioning. Testing and cleaning fuel injectors can be more involved, but it's a crucial step if other components appear to be functioning properly. Next on the list is checking for air intake issues. Start by inspecting the air filter to ensure it isn't clogged or excessively dirty, as this can impact engine performance. Many vehicles also have a mass airflow sensor, which can cause problems if it becomes dirty or fails. Clean the mass airflow sensor with a dedicated cleaner if needed. Faulty or dirty mass airflow sensors often trigger trouble codes like piezo 101 or piezo 102. Another potential issue is a vacuum leak, which can be caused by loose hoses or a faulty PCV valve. Vacuum leaks can affect various sensors, including the mass airflow sensor. To locate a vacuum leak, inspect all hoses for cracks, disconnections, or leaks, and check the PCV valve for proper operation. Moving on to spark-related issues. These can stem from worn spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, or aging spark plug wires. If these components are old or malfunctioning, they can affect ignition performance. If you haven't replaced the spark plugs, ignition coils, or spark plug wires in a while, it might be time for a tune-up. Check the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement intervals to ensure these components are in good working order. Another potential cause of jerking during acceleration could be a transmission issue. If there's a problem within the transmission, you might also notice other symptoms such as delayed shifting or harsh shifts. If you suspect a transmission problem, start by checking the transmission fluid if possible. Some newer vehicles don't allow for easy fluid checks, but if your vehicle does, ensure the fluid level is correct. and that the fluid isn't excessively dirty. If the fluid hasn't been changed in a long time, it's likely time for a replacement, along with the transmission filter. That's a general overview of potential causes for jerking when accelerating and how to address them. If you have any additional insights or questions, feel free to comment below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.